Hey, what's up, guys? Thanks for tuning back into my YouTube channel. This is just a girl who loves crypto and stocks. If this is your first time here, smash the like button, subscribe to my channel by tapping the notification bell, and oh, yeah, share this out to the metaverse and beyond. Okay, guys, full disclaimer here. I am not a financial planner and this is not financial advice. The topics discussed on my channel is strictly for educational entertainment purposes only. Please, when you are investing in stocks or crypto, it is your responsibility to do your own research, speak to a financial planner, and please never ever take financial advice from a random person on YouTube. That being said, let's roll into the program. Yes, guys. So it's earning season and we have quite a banger out, and I wanted to come with you with my 2 cents, share my thoughts, and just what the heck happened in the stock market today. PaySafe Limited, oh my god, what a crash and burn. Full disclosure, I do not own any of the stocks, but my god, if I did, I want to ball. It is down 41% on the day. Oh my god, I remember looking at the stock thinking I wanted to go invest in it, but it was trading a bit of a premium and I thought maybe I'll just wait. Look at that. It's coming all the way from practically like what, 780, 787, 97 at the top, and look at that crash. Oh my god. And in the after hours it's actually up, but only by a percent, 1.65. But my god, $4.24. And then PaySafe. For those of you who don't know what PaySafe is, I'm gonna take you through that. We're gonna go into profile. Uh-oh, let's get out of there. I don't know what that is. But PaySafe Limited provides digital commerce solutions to online businesses, SMB merchants, and consumers through its PaySafe network worldwide. It offers digital wallet solutions under the Skrill and NetTeller brands. Forgive me, guys, I have a little bit of list, which enables users to upload, store, withdraw, and pay funds and APMs from a virtual account. Connect Skrill related loyalty program, Net Prepaid MasterCard, a companion product enabling NetTeller digital wallet active users to access and use stored funds anywhere that MasterCard products are accepted. So this sounds like it's a payment solutions company, and they had just a destruction of a day. I want to find out what on earth happened to them, why their stock dropped so much, 40%. Jeez. So let me just take you into it right now. If I just go down, ooh, they got a shareholders alert investigation. PaySafe Limited announced by Holzer. Okay, I want to go into that. Why PaySafe stock crashed today? Oh, good lord, what do they have now? So, shares of PaySafe plunged Thursday after the payments platform issued a forecast for sales and profit that fell short of investors' expectations. So, I guess they had an earnings and it was terrible, but even that wouldn't have crashed the stock to 40%. So they must have been getting sued or something. Let me continue reading. As of 2:15 p.m. Eastern, PaySafe stock price was down more than 40%. PaySafe revenue declined by 1% year over. So they're losing money. Wow, $356 million. What, that's it? Y'all don't give the rest of the story? Oh, continue reading. I'm sorry, guys. So what? PaySafe revenue declined by 1% over year to 353.6 million. That was significantly below Wall Street's projection, which had called the revenue of 370 million. PaySafe chalked up the sales decline to weaker than expected results in its digital wallet segment, as well as risk management initiatives that led to the loss of some direct marketing customers in its integrated processing division. Where still PaySafe slashes full year financial outlook. Management now expects revenue of roughly 1.48 billion in 2021, down from the prior projection of 1.54 billion. The company also cut its guidance for gross profit and adjusted EBITDA to approximately 875 million and 430 million respectively down from 950 million and 488. Yeah, that's a big miss. Still, CEO Philip McHugh attempted to assure shareholders that PaySafe digital wallet operations will recover and other growth drivers will help the company achieve its long term goals. But 40% drop? That's harsh. Our position to win high growth and disruptive markets, including online sports, betting, and crypto, continues to accelerate, coupled with strong delivery against our cost and technology targets. I just want to read a little bit more because that's still, I mean, a bad earnings call. Yeah, I could get it. It could be very destructive to a stock, but 40% is still a lot. That is, ooh, you know, that's, ooh. Like, even if you take a look at your market cap, it's $3.6 billion. Look at that. There were 52 range from $4 at the height. They went all the way up to $19. And now they are $4. Previous close was just $7.27. Yeah, that's huge. So let's just read into this. We're gonna check out the browser. They always want me to sign in on the app. So Atlanta, Georgia, Halter and Halter investigating whether PaySafe Limited complied with federal securities laws. Ooh. On November the 11th, 2021, PaySafe revised its outlook for 2021 and released its financial results for the third quarter of 2021. Philip McHugh, CEO of PaySafe, stated the company experienced softer than expected revenue. That's what you saw. I love how they word these things, softer than expected revenue. Yeah. That's I can understand why shareholders are pissed. Reflecting both market and performance challenges within the digital wallets business. On this news, the price of the company's stock declined. If you purchase PaySafe stock and suffered a loss, so they allegedly they're investigating the company right now into some shady dealings, maybe because the loss of the stock. Holzer and Holzer is an Atlanta, Georgia law firm that dedicates its practice to vigorous representation of shareholders and investors litigation nationwide. So I guess upon the earnings, the missed on guidance, people are upset and rightly so. It's always buyers beware. I always gonna stress whenever you invest in stocks, please you have to do your research. And these companies, especially with growth stocks, they're so new, still so undeveloped, and the market that this company's in completely sounds like it's highly disruptive. And at certain times, you may have times like this, but you get to know what type of investor that you are, what type of investor that you are when you run into situations like this. Either you're going to stick it out and write it back up, or you are going to cave and sell. The choice is yours. Always please do your research. And again, guys, never take advice from random person. It's on the end of the day, it's your money. I'm just gonna see what the room is saying right now. So we have Robert, CFO stated buying 100 shares tomorrow. Okay. Really says a major overreaction by the market today. The numbers are hardly different, and it's still 99% the great company it was yesterday. A 5% correction, maybe, but a 40% drop in one day is absurd. I expect and hope for this to one day wait for this to recover at least $6 within a week. Good luck, longs. Well, they're being really optimistic. Raise your hand if you bought today. I bought 3,000 shares, says Mike, of the 200 million traded. Show yourselves other buyers. Wow. So we got some real supporters here. They're hard investors. They see a dip and they're going in. They're taking advantage of it. I guess, like I said, when you know when you know what you know, stick with it. And if don't, get out of the play. There'll always be a next one. So coming up, we got AQN. AQN is Algonquin Power Utilities. I bet they also got earnings, and I assume I'm just gonna get out of conversation. So they're actually down for the day, 0.84, ended the day at 1777. Okay. So they did announce today Algonquin Power and Utilities Corp announces 2021 third quarter financial results. We're pleased to report solid earnings in the third quarter underpinning AQN's diversified and resilient business model. Great. So they had a good run. Full disclosure, I do own some AQN, so I'm glad to know that they had revenues of 528.6 million, an increase of 40% compared to the third quarter, adjusted EBITDA of 252 million, an increase of 27%. Okay, so I'm good. And what's this? Agreement to acquire Kentucky Power. So they have an acquisition. AQN announced that its indirect subsidiary Liberty Utilities entered into an agreement with American Electric Power Company to acquire Kentucky Power Company and AEP Kentucky Transmission Company for a total purchase price of approximately 2.846 billion, including the assumption. Okay. All right. So looking good for Algonquin. Very good for them. They got a nice beat. Their stock is, of course, down because what else are you going to do when you're a Canadian stock? You do good, you have a good earnings, and your stock goes down. Let me check out Big Dog here, Blink. Ooh, Blink had a really good day. Up 8%, 35.51, ending the day in the after hours. Wow. Up another 5%. So definitely they must have had a really good earnings. And of course, Rivian keeps popping up. For those of you who don't know what Blink is, it is a charging company. Blink Charging Company, through its subsidiaries, owns, operates, and provides electrical vehicle charging equipment and network EV charging services in the United States. You guys can go ahead and read all that about Blink on your own. I just want to see what the numbers are. Full disclosure again, I am invested into this company. And I'm just looking to see where they go. Wow, record revenues in Q3 2021 up 607%. Service revenues increased 425% a year. Great job, Blink. Hooray, we're making money. Keep it up. I'm glad they had a wonderful Q3. Let's keep checking them out. I want this to be a long video, but I definitely want to keep checking Sundial. Another full disclosure, I do own stocks to this company as well. It is up 6%. Wow, 71 cents ending the day. And in the after hours, woo, 22.88%. Major beat on Sundial. Oh, wow. Sundial announces shares repurchase program. Sundial reports third quarter 2021. So definitely Sundial Sundial is a cannabis company, for those of you who don't know. Its net earnings of 11.3 million for the third quarter of 2021 compared to 71.4 million lost in the third quarter of the prior year. Their adjusted EBITDA is 10.5 million for the third quarter of 2021 compared to adjusted EBITDA loss of 4.4 million. So quite impressive. Yeah. Net revenues from cannabis segments 14.4 million for the third quarter of 2021. It's 57%. Wow, over the second quarter of 2021, an increase of 12% over the third of 2020. Yeah, so Sundial crushing it. Good job, Sundial. Good job. And last but not least, I left it because I'm kind of sick of the EV. I know I have EVs, but how is Lordstown Motors up 23% at the end of the day? $6.89. Check out the after hours. So they're up 23% today, and they're down already in the after hours of 10%, 10.3%. That's, listen, I love EV companies. I think they are the future. I think they're highly disruptive. But with Rivian, that doesn't even make sense. And then you look at stocks. I know I don't want to sound like a complainer, but you have companies like NEO that has revenue, has sales, and the stock doesn't move. But, and then you Rivian, I say no more. But good on you, Rivian. It looks like you came in on a beat because your stock is kicking up storm. I don't want to make this a long video, but if you know what you know, like, share, subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to drop a link. Tell me what you think below. And guys, check out the links below. If you have not already signed up to Wealthsimple Trade, do so. You can earn some free stocks. And check out my other videos. Like, share, and subscribe to them as well. Thanks for tuning in as always. See you next time.